Hey y'all, I'm going to show you how to install Ventoy onto a USB thumb drive. Ventoy in sum allows you to install multiple ISO files onto one thumb drive instead of having multiple thumb drives for many different ISO files. Anyways, we're going to just jump right into it. I'm just going to go to Google and we're going to search Ventoy download. Go to downloads, install Windows Zip. Go ahead and download the latest version. I'm going to pause a few times just to make it go faster. Now that we are downloaded, go ahead and right click it and zip. Oh, sorry, extract all. Extract here. There you go. Go ahead and double click this. Make sure you have your thumb drive already plugged in. I just have a 16 gigabyte one. You can have as big as one you want. I have a 256 gigabyte thumb drive, which holds a whole bunch more. Go ahead and click here. You want to go ahead and more info and run anyways. You want to select the USB thumb drive that you have. Just make sure that it correlates with the drive that you have. Hit install. And yes. And yes. It's going to warn you and it's going to delete everything off that thumb drive. Make sure there's nothing on it. If you do have something on it, go ahead and back it up. You can also store regular files onto this if you want to. So you can have just an all-in-one thumb drive. Hit OK. Go ahead and close out. Now you should be able to just go to this PC and you'll see your Ventoy drive. I'm going to go here and you can just drag and drop any ISO file that you want. I will come back and I'm going to show you how to do it in a BIOS. Once you're booted up, you need to go into the boot menu, which it varies for the F keys for each computer. Mine is F7, so I hit that multiple times as soon as booting it up. I have Windows installed on this, but I'm not going to use Windows, so I'm going to go to my Samsung drive, which was the 256 gig. I know I did it on 16 gig, but I'm just, for purposes, because I have ISO files on there, I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's going to start loading up Ventoy. It says scanning files. It's going to take a long time for me because I have a lot of stuff on there, so I'm going to pause the video and come right back. Now that we're back, it should show you all your Ventoy ISO files that you've dragged and dropped and copied over to USB drive. These are all mine. I have a bunch. You might only have one or two at this point. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and open up the Windows one just to show you. We're going to do a normal Windows boot for that, for installing Windows, just so that you can visualize what it kind of looks like. And that's how you install Ventoy and add ISO files and utilize the ISO files. Hope this tutorial helped out. Y'all have a wonderful day. God bless.